to meet our people. Oh, in our grandmother's gardens we've learned what a joy it is to be alive. What a gift it is to meet God's people. And we've learned that forgiving them will take some time. Oh, forgiving us will take forever. We've learned, and I've seen it in my mother's eyes, that the genocide against the Tutsis still lives inside of us. Oh, we know. Oh, we know. Oh, we know, we know, we know it from within, that the best is present. Oh, we know, and we know it from within, that the best is present. What a joy it is to be alive. What a gift it is to meet our people. That forgiving them will take some time. And the best is present. You can cry, Papa, for what lives not outside, it lives inside, Papa. And love is more than life, so you can cry, Papa. You can cry, Papa, for what lives not outside, it lives inside, Papa. And love is more than life, so won't you cry, Papa? And love is more than life, and I've heard the boys don't cry, and I've heard that our people, I've heard that we don't cry, but you can cry, Rwanda, for the genocide against the Tutsis. It's not outside, it lives inside Rwanda. And we lost the people we love, and love is more than life, so you can cry, Rwanda. You can cry, Rwanda.